I thought to let you know about chain of responsibility training workshops we're running in Wodonga on the 17th of March. The Heavy Vehicle Regulator has partnered with Grain Trade Australia to deliver these workshops right across regional Australia. The training's designed for all sectors with transport activities and is perfect for small to medium businesses because unless you're a large corporation, it's very rare to find good quality face-to-face chain of responsibility training out in the regions. And then your only option is to go online, and that doesn't really suit a lot of people. So this workshop will be hands-on. You'll get a clear understanding of what the chain of responsibility is and why it's critical that your businesses manage these risks. Because the penalties are very tough these days, and the consequences of failure can put people out of business or even into jail. So it'll be a small group, so we can really hone in on the real challenges that you face in your role in the supply chain. And if you bring a supply chain partner along with you, then you can learn what needs to happen together, because you'll take home an action plan that you develop on the day, and so you'll be ready to go as soon as you get back to work to get your chain of responsibility risks under control. So don't delay, book now. It's on the 17th of March, a Tuesday, in Wodonga, and you can book online at the Grain Trade Australia website. Click on the link below and we'll see you there.